Hey guys, welcome back to the channel guys. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. This is Aditya and you are being served by the Techno Drift. This time we have got the Realme Watch S with us. The device has been creating a lot of excitement in the market, not only just because the pricing is very good, but also the build quality. Wait. We will talk about it in the later part of the video, but before that, let's have a super chill unboxing of the Realme Watch S. Okay, you get a typical Realme signature yellow color box with Realme Watch S branding on the front and some features at the back. We'll definitely show you each feature in the later part of the video. Opening up the box, you are treated with the Realme Watch S itself. OMG, first impression, it looks so much good, so much premium due to its aluminium build, although it's pretty lightweight. Keeping it aside, you get the paperwork, well, that you don't need. Apart from that, you get a magnetic charging cradle, and hey, that's really important to keep with. So yeah, that's it. That was the unboxing experience for the Realme Watch S. I know you have been waiting for the intro, and here is it. So let's start the intro with the trail. Sit back, relax, buckle up and enjoy the intro.
They got problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and dub it. Cause I got problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone in affection, I summon and
Now I hope you enjoyed the intro, and if you did, then please hit the like button because a lot of effort went into making this intro. Now without further wasting your time, let's start with the video. First, let's start with the build quality and design of this watch. Having used the vanilla version Realme Watch before, this Realme Watch S gets a complete makeover when it comes to design. There is a circular form factor with a watch dial at the top which doesn't rotate, unlike the Galaxy Watch, but other than the plastic frame used previously, this watch has an aluminum body that doesn't feel cheap. The silicone strap is also soft and comfortable and will be available in a bunch of color options, but currently it's available only in black. Now coming to display, you get a 1.3-inch LCD touchscreen with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels, which makes the display sharper and more colorful to look at. There were no pixelation issues, and for the price point, you get the best display in a smartwatch. Now Realme has also focused on the brightness part and also added an auto brightness sensor which works great. The touchscreen response is also quite good when coming from the previous Realme watch, which was pathetic. And a great thing for all those who are worried about the durability of this watch, this watch comes with Corning's Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Now you must be thinking about why there are two buttons, right? Well, the top button functions as a menu of back button, while the bottom one is a shortcut to the exercise modes, or rather Realme loves to call it the sports modes. The buttons also offer a very good feedback, unlike the previous Realme watch. Now the number of built-in watch faces has also increased this time. You get 5 pre-installed watch faces in the watch itself, and later that can be increased to the Realme Link app that provides 100 plus watch faces that are very attractive and appealing. And you also get the option to customize your very own watch face. Now operating this smartwatch is very easy. Swiping down from the top brings you to the notifications, while swiping up from the bottom opens the menu for all functions. Swiping left or right takes you to the quick toggle menu and health stats, which includes distance in calories, heart rate tracking, weather and sleep data. Now additionally, the watch comes with a lift wrist to wake option that works flawlessly and can be toggled on or off in the quick toggles menu. One problem I could find out is that whenever the lift wrist sensor is off, the screen sometimes turns on when you touch the screen and sometimes it doesn't. Well, that thing can surely be fixed with a software update. Now coming to exercise modes, or rather the sports modes, Realme has added 16 different sports modes including cricket, badminton, football and many more. Now I am not that of a fitness freak, but I've tested a few of them like normal walking, exercise and yoga, and it worked quite great. Now all the exercise stats can be seen in the Realme Link app. Now do note that the watches doesn't come with an inbuilt GPS, so you have to take your phone with you if you want to track your walking route. Now the Realme Link app is quite a feature-rich app which has additional features such as get-up reminder, water drinking reminder, 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and the watch also comes with the music playback control, which is quite helpful while doing exercises, and it also comes with a camera controller option which makes the watch as a remote shutter for clicking pictures. Now about the health related features, you obviously get the regular ones like the step and calorie counter, heart rate monitor, sleep tracker and SpO2 monitor. The step tracking was quite accurate, and the same goes for heart rate tracking and SpO2 monitor too. We compared it with an oximeter and the heart rate tracker showed slight variations here and there, but the SpO2 monitor was very accurate when compared with an oximeter. Overall, we can't expect much at this price and we are quite satisfied with the results. Now moving on, you don't get a speaker or microphone in here just like its predecessor, but you do get the option to silence or reject a call. Also, you can't reply to notifications here, but you certainly get the option to dismiss a single notification, or you can clear all the notifications as a whole. But we are not complaining, and we certainly do not expect these things in this smartwatch, as these are some high-end features that are available in high-end smartwatches that are usually priced between 10 to 15k. But one thing I must complain is that this watch doesn't support automatic detection of exercises. That company's own Realme Band supports it. Additional features include sleep monitoring, find your phone and meditation that also works flawlessly. Now if you're worried about any damage which can be caused by accidental spills and sweat, then worry not, because this comes with an IP68 rating that can withstand accidental spills and sweat, but is certainly not recommended under shower or for swimming. The watch certainly impresses us with its amazing 390 mAh battery capacity. Now company advertises that it can last up to 15 days with 24-hour heart rate monitoring on, but in our case it lasted up to 11 to 12 days, which is quite commendable for this price. Now charging is possible with this circular 2-pin magnetic charger, which almost takes 2 hours to juice up completely. Now overall, I would say this is the best smartwatch that you can buy at this price. And if you're thinking to buy the previous Realme watch, then I would suggest you to buy this Realme Watch S for Rs 4,999. And if you guys want a long-term review on this watch, then please let us know in the comments below. Now that was all for this video. We hope you liked the video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are in search for a smartwatch under 5k. If you have any queries regarding this watch, then please feel free to comment below and we'll definitely reply. Also, if you want to get in touch with us, then do follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.